People, greetings again from MOSHA'S Reggae Lounge, right? I just had some jerk chicken made for some people, and I try to tell everybody I do everything real here. So if you hear any negative comments, why don't you come and try the food for yourself? There are a lot of haters here around. I have a lot of competition that's trying to destroy my good reputation with the food. So as the people eat the food, I do a video so you can see it on YouTube yourself. Now I had this crew from Canada, and I told them the same thing I tell everybody. That the hour, it's a minimum of an hour wait. The food could take a little longer depending on the amount of people I have. Some brothers over here came after them and they're waiting. They're gonna be waiting a little time too. And they don't mind waiting. I'm gonna get to them. But I wanna present the crew from Canada. What's your name, sir?
Douglas.
Douglas, how's the chicken?
Delicious, Mojo.
There you go. Was it worth the wait, Douglas?
Yes, it was. Absolutely.
And that's his wife, I assume?
This is the best jerk chicken I've ever tasted, and I've been to Jamaica.
Tell them again.
Oh, this is the best jerk chicken I've ever tasted.
Okay.
It's delicious.
There you go. And you had the fish sandwich.
And my fish sandwich is the best ever.
Hey, you see that? And this gentleman, what about you?
Jimmy, and this excellent man.
Boom shakatak. All right, folks. So you hear it from
Looking good.
finger. Look at that. She's licking the fingers.
Direct from Garson, Manitoba, Canada.
There you go. Say it again.
Garson, Manitoba, Canada.
Thank you.
Loves MOSHA'S.
There you go.
Yeah.
And there, you know what's good? They were willing to wait and don't complain.
Oh, we wait 2 hours for this.
They will wait. You see, she said she would wait 2 hours.
Oh, easy.
The beer is nice and cold.
There you go.
Oh, it's very good.
So guys, I am transparent. I'm not here to play games with my customers.
No.
I tell people straight. If you don't have time to wait, I don't have time to cook. Go somewhere else and eat.
Yeah.
All right? Because yes.
You told us
Yes.
you're gonna wait a minimum an hour.
That's right.
And you did.
And it's worth the wait.
Well worth the wait.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. So there's a crew of guys. I'm not going to put them on camera yet. I'm going to pause the video when their food come out to let you see what I am trying to say to everybody. All right, folks. These are the gentlemen. I'm continuing the video from the first crew that was patiently waiting, and I give them a lot of respect. And I want them to tell you how they feel about waiting for the food. I'll just tell you how they like the food. Just tell you how. This is, where you guys from, by the way?
Washington, D.C.
Washington, D.C. What's your name, brother?
Jamal.
Jamal. Can you tell them how you like the jerk, bro?
Really good.
Thank
really
you.
I've had jerk before, but this is really good. Really good.
You see that?
Yes.
So people, I'm doing this because I want people to know that I'm real. I ain't playing no games with you. And I already tell them how long the food's going to take. My brother over here, he had a salad. He wanted another one. I was happy because a lot of people don't eat the salad when I make it. So I stopped giving it with the food. But I gave it to them because I want them to have it complete. What's your name, brother?
My name is Craig, man.
Craig. Kick it to me, man.
Off the chain.
There you go.
Salad's great.
Yeah.
Jerk is great.
There you go.
Man, worth the wait, okay?
Thank you, brother. And my brother, he got the jerk pork.
Oh, yeah. Good.
Spicy is good.
Spicy and nice.
Yes.
You see? See, they telling you, I didn't even do a video pre-recorded. I just come at them with this video. This is the other brother. What's your name, brother?
Dwayne.
Dwayne?
Yeah.
This is Dwayne. Dwayne had the small jerk.
Nice and spicy.
There you go.
Yeah, the salad complements everything, man.
See?
It's good. It's good.
See, he finished it.
Yeah.
My people don't eat salad, so I never usually, I don't know, sometimes my vibe is right. I give it to a certain crew of people.
Right.
And I wasn't wrong with giving it to them. They loving it. And I love it.
One more thing.
Yeah, my brother.
The jerk is spiced, seasoned, great to the bone. It's
Wow.
Delicious. Delicious.
Oh my God. You know why he's describing exactly what I do? Because people, when I season my jerk go through 3 stages. The first stage is the dry rub. And I let it sit. Then I put a wet rub that I make all of it. And that baby sit in the fridge for 1 week.
Wow.
And then when I take it out to cook it, I put a special smoke thing there. And I let it smoke. Then I take it and I brush it.
One more thing.
Yes, go kick. I don't care, man. Kick it, everything.
I've had rice and peas before.
Yes.
But this rice and peas is cooked in coconut milk.
Oh, of course.
Sell.
Of course.
Excellent.
Of course. There's the rice and peas he's talking. Look, it's
That's
gone.
gone.
Now, people, I tell you why I'm stressing this. I got some people because this restaurant is #1 in SOSUA. And I have a lot of enemies putting negative things out there about me. And none of them ever come here to eat. So any video you see, you will get the vibration of the taste of my food. And there is no extreme. So you can't go from this kind of comment to something. The food is dirty and stink. If you hear that, you know it's one of my enemies doing that. And I want to thank these brothers for sitting here and waiting for the food. Yes, you're welcome. And I tell people, listen, you big groups got to call and order your food. If you don't order your food, you could be sitting here longer, or I could tell you I can't cook for you, because I get orders on the phone. And if I'm cooking those orders and you walk up, sometimes I run out of food at 2 o'clock. I cook my food fresh. I want to thank the brothers again. And enough respect, guys. Big up, boom. All right. Now, you want to be in camera? No. You don't want to. Yes, boom, shaka attack from MOSHA'S Reggae Lounge one more time.